Hello, my name is Jason Hammond, and I was cooking dinner tonight, and I decided, since I was cooking dinner, I might as well show you how to make a meteorite pan. The reason why I want to do this is because this is a cool lesson for students, because it talks about a couple of things. It talks about meteorites, and it talks about them impacting our planet Earth. And this is really important because throughout the ages, meteorite impacts have caused significant changes to our planet. One of the most significant changes was when a meteorite impacted 65 million years ago that caused the dinosaurs to go extinct. So this is a fun way of showing meteorites actually hitting our planet Earth and making some changes. Let's look at the meteorite pan first. I made one up simple. As you can see, it's just a regular cooking pan. On the bottom, I put some flour to represent the crust of our planet. And on the top, I put some cocoa to represent the sedimentary sand or dirt that occurs through erosion. You can also add aluminum foil to the bottom. You can actually add sand or dirt if you want, but I wanted to make it simple so that we can really see how the impact occurs. So what I got right here is a little rock, and this is a piece of quartzite. And the reason why I chose a quartzite here is because it's a metamorphic rock, and it actually could have been changed because a meteorite impacted the planet Earth. So let's go ahead and check out how this happens. All you gotta do is take your rock, lift it up, and let it drop. Now, as you can see, right here, the circular impact has occurred. You can see the walls of the crater. You can see what's called ejecta coming from the crater. Ejecta is really important because it tells us that things from the bottom were brought to the top and pushed out. Sometimes scientists find ejecta without finding a crater, and that's how they know a crater had been there. Now, why wouldn't you find a crater? The reason why you wouldn't find a crater is because of erosion. Water, wind, snow, ice causes things to break down, and this happens to craters. We've been hit millions of times by meteorites throughout the years. Very few remain. But the ones that do remain are really, really cool. There's one in Arizona called the Barringer Crater. This was an impact that happened about 50,000 years ago. The crater itself is about a mile long from end to end, and it's about 3/4 of a mile deep, and you can actually go visit this crater. Another really cool crater is what we call the Chicxulub crater, and what makes this crater really cool is it's the one that we think caused the dinosaurs to go extinct. It's down by the Gulf of Mexico, on the little peninsula of Mexico, and it's underwater. But we know it's there through infrared photography. We can still see the crater's outline. It's one of the biggest craters in the world. That crater is about 65 miles wide. Big impact, causing big things to go extinct. So we can do this more than once. You can drop them in over and over again, making larger craters, bigger impacts. You can see again the walls, the ejecta. You can do it on the other side, making a little smaller one this time. Maybe over here we'll try it. Oh, that was a pretty good one. Look at all the stuff that came up out of this one. If you're really, really lucky and you have a piece of pipe, like PVC pipe, you could actually put your rock in there to make the craters go, make the meteorite angle and hit at the ground at a different angle. And that can show you speed and direction of where it came from. Well, that's a really simple lesson I wanted to share with you today. And that's all I have to say. See you next time. Bye.